Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to make your day special with my spicy recipe. Today my recipe is beef nuggets. My today recipe is full of nutrients. So try this recipe at home and avoid your children from other junk food. Here are the ingredients of my recipe. First, I will chop all ingredients and made a paste. Then I will make a nuggets from this paste. Boiled beef, chopped onion, chop the beef and onion. Now we will add salt and black pepper. Bread slice. Two egg. Corn flour. Boiled potato. Chopped it. Our paste is ready. Now we will make the nuggets and fry in hot oil. We made the nuggets. Now we will fry in hot oil. One thing which is very important: fry the nuggets in low heat flame. Serve the nuggets with tea. You can check my heat flame, which is low. Nuggets is ready. Now you can serve it. Hope you like it. Kindly subscribe my channel.